Hi, this is Connor from At and welcome to our Spotlight series. In this Spotlight video, we feature Paulo Caicedo, a graphic designer who's inspired by nature and Latin American culture. We're going to take 3 of his sketches and provide him with a 3D digital sample, a tech pack, and patterns to go with it. With these 3 items, he can go to any manufacturer and have his designs created. Alright. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going, Connor?
Yeah, I'm doing well. First, give me an introduction about yourself.
I'm a graphic designer by trade. I guess more multidisciplinary designer. I've been kind of like always into like other types of art or anything that has to do with just working with my hands. But I've been working about 6 years or so doing graphic design things, also specializing in branding and packaging design as well. So that's my trade. Early on, I tried like different things, and like I've been having this kind of like project in the back of my mind, fashion collection type of thing that and I never actually like went ahead and like put forward that idea to anyone. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to do that. I had sketched out these 3 jackets like a long time, inspired by the Warriors movies. You know how like everyone had like a uniform and stuff like that.
That's cool.
I just wanted to make like some like jackets that have like almost like a theme or like a look to them, like each one that includes colors and other things into each of the jackets, and they would have differences, like the pockets or everything would align to what the topics or the themes would be. So that's basically like in a nutshell what I was thinking when I drew that. I want to see where it goes, if I can take it somewhere.
That's awesome. All right, so you know what? Send me over your files. I'm going to take a look at them, and I'll let you know what steps to go from after we take care of it. Yeah, I just looked over your files. I see 3 very classic bomber silhouettes. They aren't exactly true colorway options. You clearly drawn 3 different pocket variations, and in the shoulder, you have some unique details per colorway. Do you want to make them more uniform? This will save you actually time in the long run. But if these are 3 unique designs, we can keep them that way.
I think it would be fine to do the same style for all 3 with different variations.
Okay.
I think I'm comfortable with that.
Do you want a more like slimmer fit, or do you want to have it more looser and voluptuous?
I think I haven't like gone like deep enough on thinking about what the silhouette would be. I guess like based on like trends and stuff like that.
I can imagine a more slimmer fit. What about the graphics? Do you want to do any special effects with the graphics, or do you know what you want?
What would you think is the best thing to do with those graphics?
Yeah, so what I was thinking was if you're aiming for the more varsity style, I'm thinking embroidery all the way. I see like up to like 3 different colors, 3 different threads, and it's just gonna have a more classic look. I mean, even one of your colorways is classical, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There you go. I think that's what you need.
Okay.
I mean, that's what I'm recommending, but It looks like you need that.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So let me get back on it, and I'll send you the update. So we took your design ideas and we crafted a 3D model based on your designs. Like what we talked earlier, we kind of consolidated into one look for now, but if you want to combine other design elements from the other options, we can do that. Yeah, so this is the program that I use to create your patterns. These are to scale, so what we're looking at is like 1-to-1 patterns. So whenever this file is confirmed by you and done, we can share that with the sample maker, and what we're going to give you is the patterns, the tech pack, and all the production elements involved. We made it for just a general men's medium size.
Okay.
We went with the slimmer look.
Okay.
As per what we discussed. If you want, let me just raise his arms there.
What? That's cool.
Yeah. So there's your logo in the back. Do you like the size of this? Do you want to move it? We can also change the positioning.
I guess I think maybe a little more up and a little bigger.
Sure.
There.
And what's nice is we can change the positioning from
So
the top edge. So whoever's making this embroidery for you, they'll know exactly where to place this artwork.
Cool. And what about the fabric?
The fabric we can change to whatever you like. Right now I have a very shiny fabric.
Yeah.
You know, I would recommend a more like traditional weight, maybe like a terry cloth even. Do you like the size? We can always make it smaller or bigger.
I think it's a little long, right, on the...
So you want it shorter? How much shorter?
I don't know. I mean, right now it's kind of like hitting his crotch, right? Can it go up to the...
It's natural waist?
More like the natural waist, yeah.
Yeah. So natural waist is where your pants are right now when you stand up, where the waistband would be. You can definitely raise that up.
Okay. Yeah.
Shorten it. Some other colorway options. Granted, it is the same style that we're playing with.
Right.
The last colorway?
I think the colors are fine here. I like those colors, actually. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna make these updates and I'll send you the final result. Ale, I've updated your sketches and now they are full 3D models with production pattern pieces ready to go.
Oh my god, this is awesome. It's perfect. Thanks so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So once again, these patterns, they have been updated per your requests. And I know we had some exchanges back and forth on what changes you needed. We ended up combining a lot of elements from each one to have a more unified look. And this saves time in terms of making the patterns and also kind of like cutting the same lines and angles. We're also providing you with a tech pack describing you in detail how to create these lovely jackets. This will give information to the sample maker on what to do, what the pieces are, how to put together your works of art.
Nice, that's awesome. So that means that I can get my sample made anywhere now.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Cool. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, great work. I love it. Thanks.
Yeah, glad to help out. Anytime. Let me know if you have any other questions on how to make a garment. Like, that's what we're here for.
Thank you. And I feel like I've learned a lot already, but definitely I'll like, hit you up if I have more questions.
Yeah, make it happen.
All right.
Maybe you want some pants to go with it.
Okay. All right, man. Thanks.
All right, cool.
Cool.
Later.
Bye.